walk through 10 classic cars for sale and the stories they still carry. Number 1. 1962 Chevrolet C10, Tijuana, Mexico, around $5,500. Right here, we've got a 1962 Chevrolet C10, finished in blue, still wearing its original vibe proudly. This truck has seen life, 300,000 kilometers, but that's part of the story. Manual transmission, clean title, and according to the seller, it's in excellent original condition. This isn't a shiny, over-restored build. It's the kind of truck that feels honest. The owner clearly has an emotional connection to it and wants it to go to someone who will respect that history. Perfect base for a patina build, light restoration, or just keeping it exactly as it is. Number 2. 1961 Cadillac DeVille, Mexicali, Mexico, around $7,000. A 1961 Cadillac DeVille, finished in green, long, wide, and unmistakably early 60s luxury. The seller says the engine and transmission are good, plates are current through 2025, and it's ready to roll. This car is all about presence. Big body, smooth lines, automatic transmission, ideal for a cruiser. It's not presented as a show car, but more like a solid classic you can enjoy now and improve over time. Number 3. 1965 Ford Thunderbird, Tecate, Mexico, $8,000. Here's a 1965 Thunderbird, red exterior with black interior, automatic transmission, classic personal luxury coupe vibes. The seller is open to offers, which already tells you this could be a conversation starter. These mid-60s Thunderbirds are known for comfort, style, and that unmistakable silhouette. This one feels like a driver-quality classic, something you enjoy while slowly dialing it in. Number 4. 1965 Ford Thunderbird, Tecate, Mexico, around $8,000. Here's a 1965 Thunderbird, red exterior with black interior, automatic transmission, classic personal luxury coupe vibes. The seller's open to offers, which already tells you this could be a conversation starter. These mid-60s Thunderbirds are known for comfort, style, and that unmistakable silhouette. This one feels like a driver-quality classic, something you enjoy while slowly dialing it in. Number 5. 1950 Oldsmobile Futuramic Convertible, Mexicali, Mexico, around $6,000. This one's special, a 1950 Oldsmobile Futuramic Convertible, often used for weddings and photo sessions. That alone tells you it still turns heads. It's listed as being in good condition, and while it's not described as a full restoration, it has charm. Tons of potential here. Either keep it as a vintage event car, or take it further into a proper restoration project. Number 6. (1963) Chevrolet Impala Coupe, Las Vegas NV, $49,000. This is the heavyweight, a 1963 Impala Coupe, one family owned since new, restored back in the 80s, stored indoors most of its life. Pearl blue paint, white interior, solid chrome, and a chromed small block 350 under the hood. It runs, shifts, and sounds right. Not an SS, but honestly, it doesn't need to be. This is a preserved classic with serious history. Number 7. 1967 Ford Galaxy, North Las Vegas NV, $3,800. Now we're back in project territory. A 1967 Ford Galaxy, 4-door, 390 V8 with C6 automatic. The car is not running, timing chain issue, but everything's there. Title in hand. This is the kind of project that's all about potential. Big body, big engine, and a low entry price if you're willing to wrench. Number 8. 1961 Buick Invicta Bubble Top, Boulder City NV, $8,500. This is a rare one, a 1961 Buick Invicta Bubble Top, two-door coupe, numbers matching 401 Nailhead V8, original drivetrain, runs and drives. The body needs some lower work, interior is rough but complete, and the frame is solid. This is a true survivor project. You can drive it as is or slowly restore it without erasing its soul. Number 9. 1965 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, Delano, California, $5,000. Another 65 Thunderbird, this time blue on blue. Everything original, tags up to date, no smog required, and a 390 V8 that runs strong. This feels like a straightforward classic cruiser. Not flashy, not overdone, just a solid vintage car ready to be enjoyed. Number 10. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza Sedan, Tustin, California, $6,800. We end with something unique, a 1965 Corvair Monza Sedan, manual transmission, 140 horsepower, bucket seats, and tons of new parts included. Important note, the engine is currently uninstalled, needing piston ring replacement. It'll need to be flatbedded. But the upside, original paint, California car, clean title, and a pile of brand new parts ready to go. A real enthusiast project. That's 10 classic cars, some ready to cruise, some waiting for resurrection. If you enjoy real-world classics and unfinished stories, hit like, subscribe, and follow for the next walkthrough.